Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chlorella powder. First, you'll need to cultivate chlorella in a suitable environment, ensuring it receives proper light and nutrients to thrive. Once your chlorella culture is dense and a vibrant green, it's time for harvesting. Carefully separate the chlorella biomass from its growth medium, often using a fine mesh filter or centrifuge. This initial step is crucial for a pure and potent final product. After harvesting, thoroughly rinse the chlorella biomass with clean, purified water. This step removes any residual growth medium or impurities, ensuring a high-quality powder. Next, spread the washed chlorella thinly and evenly onto drying trays. It's important to dry the chlorella at a low temperature, ideally below 105 degrees Fahrenheit, to preserve its delicate nutritional content and prevent degradation. Proper drying is key to preventing spoilage. Once the chlorella is completely dry and brittle, it's ready for grinding. Use a high-speed blender or a specialized grinder to process the dried chlorella into a very fine, consistent powder. The finer the powder, the better it will mix into liquids. Finally, store your homemade chlorella powder in an airtight container, preferably in a cool, dark place. This helps maintain its potency and extends its shelf life for several months. Chlorella powder is a fantastic superfood, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants that support overall health. You can easily incorporate it into your daily routine by adding 1 to 2 teaspoons to your morning smoothie, juice, or even just a glass of water. It's a simple way to boost your nutrient intake. Also, for those looking to streamline their healthy eating, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals. Enjoy the benefits of your fresh chlorella powder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.